Ice Cream 2 is coming out. Like, yeah, the scary game that the ice cream brand is called Raw. Maybe if I have like I could play when it came out. Boom, I'm gonna play it. I could watch some videos about it, like normally. I don't even know. Like it will be awesome. Okay, awesome. If I say awesome, then it'll be awesome. Okay, and my friend that's called Mario, that's here with me, that's gonna be my game, my buddy. I'm trying to pick him up, okay? Look, say hi. Say hi, Mario. It's the me, the Mario. It's the me. Hello. I want pepperoni pizza, so if you could give me a pepperoni pizza, please. Yay! Stay out there when like 24 hours, okay? No. Or he's such an idiot. I don't know. So like, don't actually give him pepperoni pizza. Please, pepperoni pizza makes fatter and fatter, and he can't play games, and then he will just float around, and you lose. No, don't listen to him! Ah! Oh my God! You're such an annoying idiot, Mario! Sorry guys, I want some pepperoni pizza because I don't know why, but oh yeah, I have another gaming buddy. That's Pink Panther. If you're new to Lisa, I talk in Germany. So could I have a pizza? Huh? Nice? You said nice! You know what nice means? It means no, so why does the no please then he becomes stupid. Yeah. So I don't feel about that, but it gets a little bit cuckoo, like wait, Mario, what do you want to say? I'm not here. Oh, Mario's not here. That's the stupidest thing. Wait, what, Mario? What do you want to say to the camera? Is Alex listening? Huh? Okay. Order me a pepperoni pizza. Okay? To Argentina. I don't live in Italy anymore. Yay! Okay, that was annoying. Stay down there and shut your mouth. And who wants this phone? No, it's mine. And it's Luigi's. Don't tell Luigi, but I stole it from him. He's I don't know where he is. But wait. Luigi. So dumb. And he's so dumb. And hey, do you see Alex? I want to punch him in the face. Huh? Where? On the left. Oh! Don't see my phone ever, dog! No! Wow. So boring. Even though this is my phone, so let's see what Luigi has in his phone. Ice cream 2, ice cream 1. Okay. What's up? Okay, the Play Store. Okay. Oh, look. Wait, this is actually my phone. He wants to steal my phone. What's up? No. What's up? Okay, if you're watching this video, go you have to subscribe to Anna Landiel, and with a that's white, and a violet circle. Got it? Got it? And if you're new here, to subscribe, hit the like button, because I like it. If you don't, I'll put you in the place and I'll come to the house, okay? With my friends, okay? And peace out. Blah, blah, blah.